Tired of complicated checkout processes? Let's unlock the secret to paying for your Temu haul using the super convenient Cash App. First, fire up the Temu app and tap on your profile icon, typically found at the bottom, then scroll down until you spot payment methods. Tap on that. Now, you'll see a variety of payment options. Look for Cash App and tap it. Temu will prompt you to link your Cash App account and you will need to tap the button to make proceed with this. Cash App will open, asking you to authorize Temu to access your account, so carefully read through the permissions. This is necessary for completing the transaction. Go ahead and confirm the link, knowing that Temu only uses this connection for payments. Okay, you're all linked. Next time you're ready to snag those awesome Temu deals, simply add your items to your cart and proceed to checkout. You'll see Cash App as your preferred payment method, so go ahead and confirm your order. After you confirm the purchase on Temu, just flick back on over to Cash App to verify and approve that payment request. And you have to be quick, or if a timeout once approved, you'll see a confirmation on both Temu and within your Cash App. Having trouble? Double-check your Cash App balance. Ensure your account is verified, and make sure you've entered the right cash tag. If problems persist, contact Temu or Cash App support. And that's it. You're now a Temu shopping pro, powered by the convenience of Cash App. Happy shopping!